Finding incorrect information on your Equifax credit report can directly impact your financial opportunities, but you have the legal right to challenge and correct these errors. The first step is to review your Equifax credit report carefully and identify every single item that you believe is incomplete or inaccurate. You can obtain your report online through the official Equifax website or via annualcreditreport.com. Once you spot an error, gather all supporting documents that prove your case, such as bank statements, payment receipts, or official letters from lenders. Do not send original documents. Always use clear copies. You have two main paths to file your dispute. The first and fastest method is online. You can log into your account at myequifax.com, navigate to the dispute section, select the incorrect item, explain why it is wrong, and upload your supporting evidence digitally. The second method is by mail. You can download a dispute form from the Equifax website or write a formal dispute letter. Your letter must include your complete contact information, your credit report confirmation number if available, a clear explanation of each item you are contesting, and why you believe it is wrong. Include a copy of your credit report with the disputed items highlighted, along with your supporting document copies. Mail this package via certified mail with a return receipt requested so you have proof of delivery. Alternatively or additionally, you can contact the lender or creditor that furnished the information directly. Under federal law, financial institutions are also required to investigate incorrect details when notified. Once your dispute is submitted, Equifax generally has 30 days to investigate your claim with the company that provided the data. If the information cannot be verified or is proven to be wrong, Equifax must correct or delete it from your credit report and send you written notice of the results. Keeping thorough records of every submission and response ensures you can track the progress until your credit profile is fully accurate. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.